Hi guys, it's Tama here.
And here's Chico.
And you're watching Taco Vlogging. So we're on holiday right now. And it's pretty funny here. We're at a sort of fun fair. And there are gonna be fireworks. And we're gonna be filming that. So I hope you enjoy this video. So today has been a special day for me because I've been waiting for the 5 Seconds of Summer announcement and it was kind of disappointing. Yeah. Me and my friends were freaking out. Okay, so yeah. See you later. So guys, right now we're standing at one of the coolest things here. It's the breakdance. I like it very much, but no one wants to get in with me. But I don't want to go alone. There's smoke over there. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it a bit. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah. So yeah, there are many people here. It's very loud. It's kind of fun. So hi guys. It's kind of dark here, so you can't see us that well. But yeah, fireworks standing there. I don't know if you could see it, but it's gonna go up any minute and he's still being weird. So it's very dark.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
I think it's beginning.
but I can. Yeah, you see some people. Don't know if you see it. No, you can't see it. Yeah, they're lighting it up. God damn it. This is annoying. Yeah, they're lighting it up. Looks cool.
My eyes, they're hurting. Flickering lights.
It's gonna go up
Hurting my eyes.
soon, I guess.
Hopefully. Hopefully it's big fireworks.
Shaking a bit. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh. I don't know if you can see it, but it's
Lighting.
there's more of it.
I think they can see it, yeah.
It looks awesome. I don't know if there will be much in the sky though, because it's the middle of the year. Still looks pretty sick. Yeah. Okay, looks pretty beautiful.
If you're watching this is beautiful.
And it's the middle of the year, so it's very special. Okay. My ears even more.
Much more. Boom. Niet dat ze deze hele tijd...
Nee, maar... So yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Even more fireworks standing over
My
there.
ears hurt a bit. Yeah,
Look, they're sparkling! Sparkles everywhere. Okay, now my ears are starting to hurt too. And my feet is hurting very much, so I don't like standing.
but it's beautiful.
Yeah, look, so many colors.
It's just a rainbow.
Woo! Okay, the lighting up more. Look. It's gonna come more. Yeah. Okay, so the sound is awful right now. It's lining up. Ow!
Yeah, it hurts.
My ears are hurting. Look, it's so beautiful.
All the colors, it's just a rainbow.
You said that already.
I know.
I know. So it's almost over, I think. Yeah. Ah. My ears. Even the smoke is coloring. No, you guys can't see the smoke. Yeah, you can see smoke. It's colored smoke. From all the lights. Nu komt het. And this are only the...
I'm gonna die.
Ah! These are only the small boxes. There's even more. that was it. Everyone's clapping. There are many people here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna say goodbye.
Bye.
Oh, and about the game vlogs. As you may have noticed, there wasn't one this Saturday because that was the day we went away. We're gonna stand somewhere else with more lights.
Yeah, and we had a little problem with the...
Yeah, we had a little problem with the filming. And there won't be a video of him gaming for this week too. Yeah, okay. There's a bit
maybe
more
Sunday.
light.
Maybe Sunday.
Maybe he's gonna post Sunday. God, so dark. So
Yeah.
we're gonna go back and then we're gonna tell you guys more about it. So about that, he's gonna post it on Sunday. For this week's vlog, very first gaming vlog. And yeah, if you like the video and if you like the fireworks, please give us a thumbs up because we would really like it.
And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe.
Yeah.
Really need that.
So, see you later.
Bye.